15 survivors of the ill-fated cargo ship that capsized off Scarborough Shoal were brought to Manila on Monday, January 26. BRP Teresa Magbanua, which carried the survivors of the sunken MV Devon Bay, arrived at port early Monday. The bodies of 2 deceased crew members were also brought aboard the Teresa Magbanua. Teresa Magbanua Captain Alvin Dagalea says MV Devon Bay capsized 60 nautical miles northeast of Scarborough Shoal. China Coast Guard had rescued several Filipino crew members from the vessel. The survivors declined interviews on Monday, so Dagalea relays their ordeal after their turnover from the Chinese Coast Guard to the PCG. According to Dagalea, the cargo ship's still missing captain ordered his crew to jump ship amid liquefaction and bad weather.
Ang base sa mga narration and account from the survivors, si Kapitan nga ang huling lumabas doon sa barko bago lumubog. So after noon hindi na nila nakita si Kapitan kasi nung nagsitalunan na nga yung mga ibang crew kasi per instruction ni Kapitan na mag-abandon ship na sila. So siya ang huling lumabas sa barko.
Meanwhile, PCG Chief Admiral Ronnie Hill Gavan expresses optimism that the cargo ship's captain, Elimar Jucal, could still be found. He says the Armed Services BRP Cape San Agustin and the PCG Islander aircraft remain deployed in search and rescue operations for Jucal and 3 others still missing. Gavan also hails the captain's heroism.
At this point, actually, what I want to highlight is the heroism of the captain of MV Devon Bay, si Captain Elimar Jucal from Negros Occidental. Hindi niya po pinabayaan ng kanyang mga kasamahan. Hindi po siya naunang umalis ng barko. At sa katunayan, isa siya sa 4 na missing pa sa ngayon na patuloy pa rin nating pinaghahanap. Mayroon po tayong Coast Guard aircraft na nasa area at mayroon pa tayong isang barko din na patuloy na nagkakandak ng search and rescue operations. It is very basic that the captain should be the one to leave his ship. And he just demonstrated as expected.
According to Gavan, initial findings suggest that the liquefaction of its cargo and bad weather caused the capsizing of MV Devon Bay. China continues to enforce what experts call an exclusion zone around Scarborough Shoal, limiting the shoal's access to Filipino fisherfolk. However, Gavan emphasizes that saving lives takes precedence over territorial and jurisdictional disputes.